Renegade Industrial have you fully covered with a range of polished chrome toolkits. Ideal for professional use, you have an option of 151, 206, and 268 piece toolkits. Each toolkit boasts a durable, industrial quality construction so you can bring it along to any job, and comes complete with a 3-layer EVA foam insert for easy placement and easy identification of each tool. All tools come with an industrial lifetime warranty and have the option to be locked up. The 151 piece toolkit features all your essential tools that you'd find yourself possibly using on a daily basis. You get a whole range of mirror polished chrome vanadium sockets and spanners, both metric and imperial, as well as 6 and 12 point. You get 3 ratchets, 2 adapters, 4 extensions, 2 spark plug sockets, a 3-piece plier set, a ball peen hammer, adjustable wrench, 5 screwdrivers, a magnetic screwdriver holder, and 40 assorted screw bits. Next up is the 206 piece toolkit. You'll find the same tools as the 151 piece toolkit, but with 55 additions, and comes in a larger 6-drawer toolkit. You get a few extra sockets, pliers, spanners, and screwdrivers, as well as 18 metric and imperial hex keys, 9 Torx keys, a 4-piece hook and pick set, curved locking pliers, and a magnetic bit extension. Finally, we have the full package, a 268 piece toolkit featuring all the tools you need for a workshop. You get an extra 62 piece socket set in its own foam tray to add to your 6-drawer toolkit. You'll find 23 metric deep sockets in quarter, half, and 3/8 inch sizes, 7 in-hex sockets, 11 Torx sockets, 11 spline sockets, 9 6-point E-Torx sockets, and a Renegade Industrial half-inch drive 450mm swivel head breaker bar. This range of polished chrome toolkits cover a huge range of industries, and you won't be able to find a better toolkit at this price. If you have any questions about our toolkits, let me know down in the comments. So whether you need a toolkit refresh or want to treat yourself to a brand new shiny toolkit, you can find this range of industrial duty polished chrome toolkits at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.